that was bad. Oh, man, he blew the gear. Yeah, the Xmaxx just spun it off. That was about it. Good to go after. Alright, getting my old busted pinion off. Going from a 30 to a 25. Oh, shit, to 23. So, see, that one's all bent, the shaft. It was a 30-35. Let me give you that twisted action one more time. It's my new 35 right here. So that's going to be the big difference there. 30 to 23. Because I plan on putting some bigger tires. Bigger tires for now. So we'll see how that goes. Thinking about doing some primal shenanigans, you know? It's for the hell of it. These 8-inch tires are nice. Might run them on the gasser for now. We'll see. So you got the nuts on the back of those bolts. It's the Kevy special. Better than a bent shaft. Yeah, it's my weapon of choice right there. They put these big gears on. They really suck. We'll see. Thanks for watching.